Hi, this is Krista at the Secret Yarnery.
I just want to pop in super quick and show you how we can get rid of these numbers that are beside your username. If you don't know how to do it or you haven't done it already, I'm just going to show you a super quick fix on how to get rid of those numbers. I've already done it on my main channel, so let me just pop in to a different account. So click on this big picture on this side. It says View Channel on YouTube, and that'll open up in a different window. Huh, cute. So here is my username again, at Cherry Pickin' Fabulous. So that is not what we want. So we're going to go here and click on Customize Channel. That opens up in a new window as well. And we want to go to Basic Info, this tab right here. Click on that. And here is our handle. That is where we want to change it. It says you can change your handle within 14 days. And they can be changed twice every 14 days. So what we want to do is just get rid of those numbers. And that says it's okay. So there's no other Cherry Pickin' Fabulous, which would be great. What if we were Brenda Smith? What if that was our name? That will show up as a no. We cannot take that. It's already taken. You could put an area code, 306. That one is fine. You could put a year. Someone else is already 1974. Someone's already 74. What my son has done is, you might like it, is he puts a the in the beginning, or he does the real. Oh, someone's already taken the real Brenda Smith. So you can just see this is where you'd play around with it, and this is where you can get rid of those numbers. You can add something to your name just to get it to be unique. And then to save it, you just click Publish. And there you are. You have your new handle without that silly numbers right after it, or numbers that at least you like. So I hope that helped you. I can't wait to chat with you in the next live chat or video, and stay hooked.